Machines have become part and parcel of our modern life. On a daily basis, humans have been observed to use machines virtually all the time, everywhere, and for almost everything. Machines have integrated themselves into our daily lives and now play a prominent role in our society. So, incredible inventions are popping up all over the world, and we're going to show you. Here are 10 mind-blowing machines that change the game. Before we get into it, you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe, and slam that notification bell for future updates. This is Tech Hunt. Number 10. EBS 260. Labeling and barcoding are necessities in most businesses and agriculture sectors. This portable printer directly marks products such as concrete, corrugated boxes, metal pipes, polywoven bags, wood, and other raw materials, simply and quickly. With this printer, you can not only print your product barcode and information, but you can also print your logo and graphics directly onto your packaging as you go. The EBS 260 handjet printer has a built-in touchscreen and connects to Wi-Fi networks and uses a variety of quick drying and application-specific inks. Truly far less expensive and keeps companies ahead of the game. Number 9. Railroad Snowblower. Snow can be a blessing or a disaster, but it definitely creates a huge challenge for the railway companies, which are operating in countries which receive a massive amount of snowfall, leading to delays and losses in the economy. Over a century from the time railways came into existence, engineers have tried very hard to come up with solutions to deal with the problems of snow covering the railway tracks. This is where Railroad Snowblower comes to the rescue. A snowblower machine is fitted in front of the snowplow trains for removing the snow off the tracks. Its two classes are the single stage and two stage. Single stage, wherein the auger pulls snow into the machine and directs it out of a discharge chute but is unsuitable for use on paved surfaces, while two stage blowers can generally handle deeper snow depths than single stage railroad snow blowers. Number 8. Duker Mower. Mowing the lawn is a very important part of proper yard care. There are a great number of benefits that are associated with mowing the lawn that makes it well worth it in the end. A properly cut lawn is something to take pride in and a pleasant to behold. Take a look at this invention from Duker, an accomplished and widely preferred German company which specializes in technology in environmental landscape maintenance in agriculture. Mower device serves as a verge mower and reflector that is designed to mow the grass on the side of the roads. In this video clip, you can see this cool machine in action. It runs smoothly. It is operated by a computerized control system, which takes optimum advantage of moving around reflector posts, road signs, and trees. Due to the unique cinematic arrangement of the swiveling point and due to the specially designed run of the mower head guide, even large surfaces of area lying behind the guiding device are reached. Did you find this machine amazing? Thank God for German engineering! Number 7. Bruck's DriveThru Truck Dump. Can you imagine running a construction company without a dump truck? Dump trucks are a must-have for any construction business, as they are of great importance for the construction industry. So what's the fastest way to unload a container? Well, tilt it, of course, and let the contents pour out. Imagine doing that on a large scale. How about the scale of an actual dump truck or semi-truck? You'll be astounded by this magnificent machine DriveThru dump truck from Bruck's. Bruck's DriveThru dump truck is designed to handle trucks and trailers of lengths of up to 85 feet. The platform can tilt vehicles that are as much as 140,000 pounds heavy. It comes with a receiving hopper that's designed to facilitate efficient unloading of the platform. The impressive efficiency of the truck dump is further highlighted by its ability to raise a fully loaded truck at a maximum angle of 63 degrees within 2 minutes or less. All these are perfectly optimized to ensure a safe and efficient unloading process. This is indeed a game changer in the logistics industry. Number 6. Maha Automatic. Knowing when it's the right time to harvest your high-value crops can be a little nerve-wracking. After all, you've spent months or so, even years, getting to this point. But the fact is, harvest time can be very tricky for crops like cherries and plums because they require a swift harvesting process. Worry no more, because this indispensable machine for collecting cherries, plums, apples, olives, almonds, and other fruits is perfect for your harvesting. Maha Automatic is the machine which enables fast and efficient harvesting of fruit from trees. This machine is equipped with automatic folding and unfolding arch screen. It reduces production costs and speeds up the harvesting process of any fruits. It guarantees almost 100% harvesting efficiency and therefore maintains the quality of the fruit that we consume. This machine is surely an investment maybe fruit farmers can't afford not to make. Number 5. Screecher Saver. When concrete contractors are searching for new equipment for their business, one feature seems to be at the top of everyone's list, which is the best machine to smooth out the slabs to create every floor. Working in concrete is a harsh job, so the equipment used must live up to expectations to be of value. Introducing the Screecher Saver Elite from Lidshine International. This newest laser-guided concrete screed machine is built for leveling massive areas to concrete cement. It provides outstanding productivity while maintaining precisely accurate results. This game-changing machine is the most innovative and revolutionary laser-guided screed machine to join the Screecher Saver line of machines from Lidshine. With our ever-expanding infrastructure, these amazing machines allow contractors to meet their deadlines. Like what you're hearing so far? Make sure you never miss a single video from us by clicking the subscribe button now. Number 4. RU800S. This machine was developed by Austrian Placer and Thurer. Together with the construction company Switlitsky, the RU800S is one of the largest moving machines. Its basic function is to remove the old trucks, change the concrete ties, add extra ballast, and bolt everything together automatically. Every hour, 200 meters of new track can be replaced, and it usually does 2 whole kilometers per day before needing to be resupplied. That means that if one machine works for 365 days, it could probably fix the line between Paris and Brussels. This is truly one of the most industrious pieces of machine that man has ever built. Number 3. Vulcan II. 3D printing with concrete has come a long way from being just a theatrical idea. Startups and companies around the globe have disrupted this century-old industry by 3D printing concrete structures, both for living and commercial use. Let's learn more about this game-changing machine, why we need this, and what this second-generation Vulcan printer has to offer. The Vulcan is Icon's 3D printer designed specifically to produce resilient single-story buildings faster, more affordably, and with more design freedom. It has a printing capability to approximately 2,000 square feet. This innovative machine can 3D print entire houses in under 24 hours. It's faster, produces less waste, and makes homes with lower cost than traditional home building methods. This machine is insanely cool. Would you live in a 3D printed house? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Number 2. Martin Jetpack. Have you ever dreamt of having the ability to fly unaided, soaring above the rooftops effortlessly, only to wake up and realize that you're still bound to the ground? Fasten your seatbelt and get ready to explore the mystique of personal flight with this jetpack from Martin. The Martin Jetpack, developed by Glenn Martin in Dunedin in 1981, is the world's first practical jetpack, with potential usage spanning first responder, natural disaster recovery, military, recreational, and commercial applications, both manned and unmanned. With this extraordinary machine, you could fly to altitudes up to 800 feet at speeds of nearly 50 miles per hour for as long as 30 minutes. Are you ready to take off? We're looking forward to seeing the fantasy become reality. Number 1. Road Zipper Machine. Traffic congestion during peak hours in urban cities is inevitable. Any idea to ease traffic congestions needs to take into account various changes in the pattern of motorists of the road. But worry no more. Lindsay Transportation Solutions' Road Zipper concept turns out to be the most effective solution to ease traffic congestion. Road Zipper Barrier Transfer Machine is a heavy vehicle used to carry and transfer lane dividers efficiently and quickly to ease traffic jam without hindering other motorists from moving swiftly. Its undercarriage contains the S-shaped interior conveyor. This conveyor does the task of lifting and moving barriers from one side to the designated road where the barrier is needed. This is indeed the solution to transportation headaches. And there you have it, a list of the 10 mind-blowing machines that changed the game. Which of these machines do you think is the most mind-blowing? Let us know in the comment section below. And as always, give us a thumbs up if you're new to the channel. Like, share, subscribe, and slam that notification bell for future updates. Until next time.